Hello and welcome. My name is Brandon and I am a customer support specialist here at Rubica. This is a tutorial on how to install Rubica on an Android device. The first step is to tap and open your Play Store. Once open, you will search for Rubica. Once located, tap on Install to download Rubica to your device. Once downloaded, tap on Open to launch the Rubica application. Next, you will tap on Login here. The next step is to type in the email used to register the account, followed by the password. Now tap Enable to log in using Touch ID. Selecting No Thanks will allow you to re-enter your phone passcode. Next, we will name our device. Please use a name that will allow us to tell the difference between two or more devices. For example, in this case, we will use Brandon's Droid. Brandon to tell you whose it is, and Droid to tell you what type of device it is. Then, tap Set up Rubica VPN and tap on OK to give Rubica privilege to set up the VPN. Now, tap Finish to continue to your Rubica dashboard. Tap on Turn on Protection to protect your device. Now you are protected. Thank you for choosing the Rubica team. We look forward to protecting your digital world.